Hi, welcome to Campfire Meals. I'm your host, Hammer. Today we're going to do a nice sweet yet spicy grilled chicken. We're going to start off with a somewhat inexpensive yet very nice brandy. We're going to use, of course, Hammer Spicy Goodness, some fresh organic rosemary, and yet one secret ingredient. We're doing a very berry jalapeno jelly made by Justy's in Redmond, Oregon.
Today's episode is sponsored by Justy's Jelly, the only jelly with Justy's.
What? All right, so let's make our glaze. We're gonna use our famous very berry jalapeno jelly from Justy's. This stuff is very jalapeno-y. I love it. Still got some sweetness. We want some sugar in this because it's gonna give a nice caramelization on the chicken. There's that. Of course, a little touch of Hammer Spicy Goodness. Just a little bit of this brandy. Save that for the campfire later because we want to add a little adolescent insouciance. Move this to the side. Actually, let me spoon it up a little bit. There we go. Want this nice and thick so it sticks. Let's strip out some beautiful rosemary. Want to get a little herbaceousness, shall we say. We'll call that a loose tablespoon. It can be roughly chopped. Yeah, that goes in there. Let's stir her up. I'm going to call this a little on the thick side. A little bit more of that adolescent insouciance. Yeah. Call that a heavy splash. Got to be slightly sticky, not so much, but you also want it to stick onto your chicken. Don't worry about the kids because it's all going to burn off. So we're just going to start off with the chicken. Going to give it a little rub. Hammer Spicy Goodness because a little more spice never hurts. I'm going to put this bone side down onto the fire. We're going to let that cook for a little while. Give me 1 second here to put just a touch of glaze on the top because that skin is sitting out just like so. Oh, that's beautiful stuff. I'm so good. Did I tell you you can make this glaze ahead of time? Make this glaze ahead of time. On there. You can also use a pastry brush. Nah. Let me get the tongs. See if I've got, oh yeah, we're getting up. See how we're doing? Got a nice little browning. I want to feel this. I'm going to turn her over. Turn her over. And pull that to the side. Getting a little brown there. Going to get that a little bit off the coals. This little piece of a breast. Oh yeah. Reason why we're doing this is we're taking the top skin and we're going to crisp that up. Get a couple of grill marks on there. And then we're going to finish it again on the bone side. That way it really truly cooks through. You can get heavy-handed with this, it's not going to scare anybody. I want to show you something very, very important, especially with chicken or something volatile like that. Your fish, if you're cooking a steak, carry one of these. Handy little thermometer. We'll do a tip someday, I'll show you how to calibrate this. If you're looking at chicken internal temperature, 160. Whenever you pull something off of a fire, it's going to go up 10 more degrees, so you're going to let something sit. I think we've talked about that in the past, but we're going to remember that. You want to hit the very tip into the very center of your protein. Do not touch the bone. The bone's going to throw it off. So, hold that steady. Come in here. Turn that right side up. We'll probably reach almost 130. Now, this is much thicker, this being a half a breast, and this is one of the reasons why you cut your breasts in half. Otherwise, it's going to take almost twice as long as the other pieces. This is going to take another, say, 5 minutes. Going to bring it up to temp. Like I say, you want it at 160. I'm going to pull it off around 150, maybe 155 if you really, really are scared of chicken. not me. Justy's Jelly truly made this glaze. You're gonna find some on our campfiremeals.tv, and they've got a whole lot more products than just that one, so check it out. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe, give us a like, and look us up on Facebook.
And 4 out of 5 doctors agree Justy's Jelly increases stamina and encourages hair growth. And you can find many fine flavors at campfiremeals.tv.
Wait, Knuckle! Studios.